If you are one of those folks who's just a regular of the channel, you've been coming here often and you appreciate the videos, they give you a bit of entertainment, you learn something. If you want to support the channel, go to the link in the description and in my profile, and you can donate whatever you please. I don't expect anything. I, more than anything, just appreciate you guys coming by. Thank you so much for tuning in over the last 6 years. Couldn't be more grateful for y'all's support. A few of you who come in and chime in regularly, I appreciate that more than anything, and just thank you so much. Let's get back out there, catch a couple more, and thank you so much for watching, anticipating the fight. I appreciate it.